it's Maggie, Just Enough Eyes. Today I wanted to do a haul. I am purchasing a lot of products and stocking up my kit. I got some things from MAC, some things from Sephora, a little bit from Inglot, so I wanted to showcase some of my repurchases and some things I just knew that I needed for my kit. So the first thing is the MAC Stack Mascara. This is in Black Stack, the shade. So it's a really nice mascara. I think this came out in the last year or so, and I've been using this on my own lashes. I really like it. It's very volumizing. It has those plastic applicators, so you do get a really nice voluminous effect and separation to your lashes. I find it also applies really quickly and builds up the volume of your lashes. So I really like that. I'm excited to use that in my kit. Of course, I'll be using disposable mascara wands with it, but I do really like that formula. I got a concealer. This is technically a concealer, kind of also like an eye product, like skincare from MAC. So this is the MAC Prep and Prime Highlighter in Peach Luster. So this is one not for myself, but definitely for my kit. This is a great product. It has like a twist up applicator. All right, so the product has started coming out of the tip there. I'm just gonna keep it sanitary and use like a little lip swatch to show you the color. So it's a really peachy, warm shade. I love doing color correction with this on clients, especially if you have kind of more gray tones, just needing brightness and concealing. This is a great color corrector to put underneath before you put your concealers. It's really nice and brightening, a great color corrector, so I knew I needed to have that in my kit, and I did really enjoy using that when I worked at MAC. The next product is the MAC 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. So this is a see-through primer that you apply to your eyes. I use my finger, apply it all the way around my eyes before I put on concealer, before I put on eyeshadows, before I put on any products. And this is really great to create a barrier between the oils that your skin is producing and that makeup that you're wearing. So you'll get a much longer wear time. It'll help grab onto your eye products and hold them in place. So I definitely needed that. I love it, and an eye primer really is a necessity. Next is the MAC Spiked Eyebrow Styler. This is the one I use on myself daily. I really enjoy it. You've got a really nice spoolie on the side, although I won't use that on customers, but you've got the pencil here. It's a really, really fine tip, so great for precision, and I find that using like a spoolie afterwards, it really softens the look, and yeah, that's what I've been using. I do really enjoy that. I find the color is also pretty universal, although I have lighter pencils and darker in my kit. I also wanted to repurchase the MAC Dazzleshadow liquids. These are a really, really nice product that MAC has that I'll swatch them for you with a disposable. So I have a little bit of this on my eye underneath my sparkly shadow. It's really nice because it's gonna give you glow, coverage, and a waterproof finish, and eyeshadows are gonna stick really nicely to this. This shade is Diamond Crumbles, so it's a blue-purple iridescence. It reflects the light amazing. This also is stunning if you put it over black liquid liner or just like black in general. It's going to make that purple-blue shift really apparent. I absolutely love that one. And then I wanted to get more of a neutral shade. I've tried all of these. I absolutely love them. This one's gonna be more opaque. I love applying these on the lid. It makes any look just look more expensive. It just adds such a fanciness to the look. I would usually go in with like a shadow first, put this on top, and then go in with glitter, another shadow. But yeah, these are like liquid shadows. This one's nice and opaque, whereas this one is more sheer. All right, so that's from MAC. Moving on to Inglot, I had to get a few more staples. As you all know, the Inglot AMC Eyeliner Gels have been my staple for probably 10 years now. They are my favorite waterproof liner. They're my favorite liner to use in my waterline. Today I used their brown one, the number 90 in my waterline. So I just take these on a very precise liner brush and I apply it I use it outside of my eye, like doing my wing. I use the blue one I bought today. I also apply it straight to my waterline, hold my eye out just a tiny bit for a minute while it dries, and then you've got great coverage, great opacity all day. So this beautiful blue shade is the number 67. It is stunning, so that's what I used on my upper lash line to create my wing. Such a stunning cobalt blue. And I've also used this in my waterline. I love how it looks. It's a really nice pop of color. And then 77 is their classic. They come sealed when you first buy them. And then that is it. It is such a beautiful, rich black. I think it's the blackest black on the market. So very, very opaque. I've used this as eyeshadow bases even for like very dramatic, bold, smoky eyes. This product is like bulletproof to me. If I need something to last, stay very, very long through heat, through sweat, through anything, I love using these. I have full trust in them. So I repurchased those. And then the other staple I always get from Inglot is their Duraline. So this is a gloss polymer. I believe that's what it's called. So it essentially re-liquefies any cream products, brings them back to life, adds a bit of like moisture to them, and actually makes them more waterproof. So although it may look like you're just putting in some coconut oil or something, it's actually going to extend the wear time of your product. You can also take any powder product, like any eyeshadow, mix it on a palette with Duraline, and you've created your own liquid product, liquid shadow or liquid liner. So that's definitely a must-have in my kit. And then, yeah, any gel pomade, gel liner, any thick product that's just thickening up over time, that's gonna re-liquefy it. I've also used it when I've had like crazy waterproof makeup or had these all over my face, a little bit on a cotton round, and it actually breaks down that eyeliner really quickly to remove it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that. Definitely a staple for me, and that's something I buy like at least once a year, a new gel liner and Duraline. From Sephora, I've been trying to get my hands on the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask Pink Lemonade. So this one is limited edition. It was online, so I finally went for it. It's so cool. It's got a really nice spiral to it. And I've already dipped in. I've got that on my lips today. The smell is amazing. It's very summery. It really smells like pink lemonade, and it gives you a slight peachiness to your lips. I think this would look good on everyone. I'm so excited to have this for myself, but I'm also going to take some out, put it in a small container for my kit. That's something that I would recommend for makeup artistry. Like at the beginning while I'm doing the eyes, I would hydrate with something thick like that on the lips, so that by the end of the appointment, while I'm applying lip color, you've already set down that hydration. If there's dryness to the lips when you remove that balm, you'll take off some of that skin. So love those, and really nice to have such a fresh scent. I also redeemed a 100-point perk for the Sephora Big by Definition Volumizing and Lash Multiplying Mascara in Ultra Black. So I'm going to put this in my kit to use with disposable wands as well. So I also wanted to stock up on some brush cleanser. That's definitely a staple and something I go through a lot. So I repurchased some 99% alcohol. So I got a really nice big bottle. This is great for sanitizing your kit on the go and also cleaning brushes. For the makeup brush cleanser, I got the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleanser. This is really amazing. I've used it for years. This one has a really strong like vanilla scent to it. So what I've actually discovered, I use this little Inglot Fix Plus spray bottle, and I actually water this down. So if you use this straight on its own on your brushes, it's so scented, it's so pigmented as well. It's such a deep blue that on white brushes it can actually stain them a bit, and the scent lingers quite a bit on the brushes. So what I actually do is I water it down. So I have like 1/3 of this in here, and then the rest is 99% alcohol. And I find that works better for me, so it's not so scented, although you still definitely get that sweet vanilla scent. And then I fill another bottle with 99% alcohol, just strictly that. Also great for my kit. and those are gonna go a long way. Also, this stuff is expensive, so it's good to like water it down and have that last longer. Okay, so next I have these Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection eyeshadow palettes. So I have volume 1, 2, and 3. This is volume 1. So these are eyeshadows and pressed pigments. So there are shades that you aren't supposed to use close to your eyes with red and pink pigments to them. This is this palette. You get some really beautiful purple shades. I love the intensity and how neon these colors are. You also get some more neutral tones as well throughout. Love this one. I love how you get so many mattes, but you also get some really intricate shimmers and glitters almost in the palette. The next one is this blue palette. So this is volume 2. And this one you get a lot more blue and green. You also get a few neutral shades in there. I just love the pops of colors. Really, really nice. I did use this, I mixed these two blues and this shimmery blue to go all over my lid today. And then the volume 3 is the orange palette. And this one, I absolutely love it. It reminds me of parrots or just tropical birds. So you get lots of greens, oranges, really nice yellow, just great pops of colors, but a lot of neutral browns and wearable shades in there. So I'm super happy to have these in my kit. The consistency is pretty similar to Inglot eyeshadows. Like, they're really rich and pigmented. They apply well, they blend well. I don't find I get much fallout. And yeah, I'm really happy to have those. I feel like it's given me a really nice range of colors and options. So those are the products I've been purchasing for my kit. I hope you enjoyed watching the haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.